Morning, Didge. I can tell by your muddy paws and your silly walk that you think you're in trouble. What? No, stay down now. Good morning. Yes, what were you two up to out there in the middle of the field this morning? Well, see you later. Obviously building the dryer, the air system, all of that. But first, I have some official business this morning and a long drive. Well, not that long of a drive. I've got to go about 2 hours south of here to our shock builder's place and get a couple of shocks fixed for Onyx's race car. See, you can tell by the way it is that it's not right. That'll happen when someone hits the wall in front of you sideways and you climb underneath them and they end up on your hood.
We have solutions for everyone. There's guys that want multiple different accessories and number of batteries, generator, no generator.
So Thomas shot me an email several months ago wondering if I'd be interested in having him come out here and spray a field or some fields or however much or little as we wanted to. And honestly, I was just mostly interested in seeing these things work because I've rarely seen them in person. I have seen them work in person a couple of times, but certainly never on our farm. And as luck would have it, it's a little bit too windy tonight, so they're here from Ohio. We're gonna have them just spray. We're gonna be spraying water tonight, probably on the field right out here outside the yard, just to get the feel for it, to see what they can do. All right, I'm gonna head up to the office here and see how this thing is run.
Sure. Yeah, so we have what every office needs, a good standing desk.
Yes.
So this is where we man our entire operation. We have our nice, beautiful gray landing pad here. I'm able to man both drones up here, 2 separate controllers.